Hello friends, today I am going to make this video about appreciation of a poem. Today I have taken poem from 10th standard textbook of English. The name of the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. You know that there is a question in activity sheet of 10th standard. Question number 3B, which will be 5 marks. So it is very useful for 10th standard students. So watch very carefully this video and try to understand how we can appreciate any poem from textbook. First point, title. Here we can write name of the poem. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. If we write this title, then we will get half mark. Second point, name of the poet or poetess. If we write name of the poet, then we will get again half mark. Here we can write this poem is written by Robert Frost. Third point, rhyme scheme. In this poem there are 4 stanzas. First 3 stanzas rhyme scheme are same. Rhyme scheme as like A, B, A, whereas in the 4th stanza it is rhyme scheme A. Fourth point, figure of speech. In this poem there are 5 or 6 figure of speech already given. Here I would like to say you, very common figure of speech will be asked in every poem, which is alliteration or repetition. For better comprehension or understand, student must write either of alliteration or figure of speech, any one. So here I can suggest you can write repetition figure of speech in this poem. In the 4th stanza there are 2 lines which are already repeated. Look at, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. In the both line words are the same, means here words are repeated for greater effect of the poem. So we can write here figure of speech repetition, then we will get 1 mark. Fifth point, theme or central idea. Here we can write as like this. The poem is about an experience in the poet's life when he was passing by some woods on a snowy evening. It is about traveler's experience in the poem. The traveler is the poet himself, riding on his own horse. Traveler comes near the woods opposite a frozen lake. The beauty of the scene appeals to him. He is fascinated by woods. He watches the snowfall. There is a peaceful atmosphere. The poet tempted to stay there. If we can write theme or central idea in this point, then we will get 2 marks. Hope that everybody of the 10th standard student can watch this video and you will get definitely 5 marks.